Hi, Ebony.
Hey, Scott. How you doing?
Good.
Good.
Guess we're doing?
Rare Fine Fridays.
Rare Fine Fridays.
All right.
We've got some beauties.
We do have some beauties.
Do the thing with your hands again, like the Vanna White thing. We've got an array of 4 beautiful Jeeps.
Right on.
What have you got?
I have a 2015 Jeep Wrangler 4-door Sahara. This thing is a beauty in this nice sand color, just for $35,989. It's got just over 100,000 kilometers on it. Leather inside. It's a gorgeous ride. This one right here is a 2021 Jeep Wrangler 2-door Willys Edition. Again, this one has just under 10,000 kilometers on it, super low, and it is selling for $45,899. So come on by, check them out. They're a lot of fun.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
I've got 2 as well. I've got 2 21s, both late model vehicles, obviously, with crazy low kilometers. This one is the actual 4xe, super hard to come by, pretty rare. So it's actually a hybrid electric vehicle. You're going to get great economy on fuel as well as long distance on a charge. So you want to come by and see that one. Recently just traded in with 32,000 Ks, and this one was traded in our RV center, also very low Ks, in a really nice Mojave package. Give us a call, we'll tell you about all the details of them. And we have one other one that hasn't even come out yet, which is going to really fly off the shelf fast. It's a 2015 2-door hardtop manual transmission, low kilometers. Give us a call, we'll tell you all about it. What else we got? That's about it.
That's about it.
So,
Here at O'Connor Chrysler, everything we do,
driven by you.
boom.
Boom.